Sandi Gentry with the Sandi Gentry team, Remax Lakeshore. Welcome to 415 Harbor. Just blocks from the waterfront, this home has been completely restored from the studs up, and it is absolutely incredible. Come take a look. This one-of-a-kind home has so much history here. They have done such a great job at keeping all of the charm and character throughout the property as they restored it. Beautiful hardwood floors, solid wood staircase, the gas log fireplace, all PELLA windows, completely restored new kitchen. Let's see some more details. This home even comes with a carriage house that has been completely rebuilt with its own bathroom, kitchenette, perfect for an in-home office or mother-in-law suite. For more information on this incredible one-of-a-kind property, please contact the Sandi Gentry team at 616-935-1150.